Hello, I'm Jesse Stevens, and today we're going to be introducing you to 3D Experience. This episode is just going to go through the very basic administration and what the kind of point of this whole video series is. Um, this is episode 0, so in episode 0, we're going to be covering how to navigate 3D Experience menus and also just describe the kind of process that we're going to go through designing a car in the episodes to come. They're going to be 2 minutes, so when you get stuck with a certain area or aspect, you can just go straight to that episode, find out where you're wrong, or maybe if you're not wrong, or if you've just made a mistake or something like that, and really quickly get through it rather than having to scroll through 25-minute, 30-minute videos. Effectively, when you log into 3D Experience, this will be the screen that comes up. For now, we're only interested in this kind of click wheel in the top left. You'll see that it's here, and we're interested in the 3D section. So we're going to click on 3D, and it should come up like this. And we want to drop down on the My Roles and Profile, or / Profile kind of place. And you'll see all these different roles. Now, we're in the design and engineering space. That's the kind of apps we need for this moment in time. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the design and engineering. Now, you see that there suddenly a lot of our apps have populated in 3D modeling when we take those away, and there's no more apps in there. So we need to be in design and engineering to be able to utilize CATIA and its functions. So yeah, that's effectively where we're going to start. So once we've done that, I mean, you can also use other things, but we're not going to really be too interested in that right at this moment in time. So once we've done that, we can do many different things. But I'm going to leave it there for now, and now we're going to get started on how to use 3D Experience in the next episode.